Roofing contractors everywhere love Ico Dynasty shingles, and so do I. Here are a few reasons why. Dynasty shingles are designed to perform, pure and simple. They feature Armor Zone. It's a reinforced nailing strip that vastly improves the holding power of roofing nails. Dynasty shingles are bigger than the industry standard, creating greater visual appeal and allowing for fewer decking penetrations. They also feature Fast Lock Sealant, a powerful, strong asphalt sealant designed to help adhere the shingles to the course below and protect against wind. The insurance industry recognizes Dynasty shingles' Class 3 resistance rating for hail, meaning homeowners may receive a discount on their insurance. And then there's the colors Ico makes. Dynasty's high-definition colors, contrasting granule tones, and drop patterns are absolutely stunning.